Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to ban hero in Dota 2 so you can lock out your least favorite picks before the match even begins. Step 1. Banning heroes in Dota 2 is very simple, and you don't even need to be in an active match. Just click the Heroes tab from the main menu while you're in the game. You'll see a section with bans and 4 empty slots just below. Step 2. Click on any empty slot to bring up the hero selection screen. From here, choose the hero you want to ban, and that hero will be automatically added to your personal ban list. Step 3. You can select up to 4 heroes to ban, which is great if there are multiple characters you'd rather not face. This feature helps you set up your preferences before you even queue for a match. Step 4. Once your bans are selected, they're saved instantly. That means when you enter a game, those heroes will be automatically set to be banned without needing to do anything during the draft. This method is perfect for players who want to save time and avoid counter picks they struggle with. It's fast, effective, and keeps your focus on the heroes you actually want to play. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more quick Dota 2 guides.